Hey, this is Scott, and today we're going to talk about Ikenna Millworks line of PVC Pilasters. Pilasters are a millwork product that's used to frame in each side of the door. Historically, they've been made out of wood. Here's what any homeowner of a historical house knows about pilasters. They always rot at the bottom because they're made out of wood and they come into contact with water. That's the beauty of this product. We manufacture it out of PVC. PVC is rot resistant, mold resistant, weather resistant. It virtually lasts forever. When it comes to designs, we have dozens of standard designs. We have paneled, we have multi-paneled, we have recessed paneled, we have fluted, we have plain designs. But truly, in this PVC product, if you need something custom, send us a picture and we'll figure it out. When it comes to sizes, this is where PVC shines. Again, historically, this product was made out of wood on the job site or in somebody's custom shop. And then more recently, it was manufactured out of urethane. Urethane is a great product. We actually have a lot of urethane on the shelf and ready to ship. But the limitations of urethane is it's made to a specific mold. So truly, it's like putting a square peg in a round hole. It doesn't work for all applications. With our PVC product, we can make it in any width, any height, any depth that you need for your project. Let's talk about installation for a minute. With any product that we design and manufacture, installation is always an important factor to us. So we made this product in a way that's super simple to install. Truly, you apply a bead of high quality construction grade adhesive, a urethane glue to the back of the product. You put your pilaster in place and you either face nail or face screw the product in place. It's super easy. When it comes to finishing the product, we recommend a high quality paint that's made specifically for vinyl or PVC. So just a quick pro tip, with any of our PVC millwork items, we recommend a couple coats of primer and a couple coats of paint. We know if you do that, you'll get a great finish. We have a ton of other complementary PVC millwork items. We have pediments, we have caps, we have bases, we have different styles that are meant for that door surround or window surround. For more interesting and innovative products like this, please check out our website or give us a call anytime.